Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. Hope so you all are well by the grace of Allah Almighty. Students, in our previous lecture, we have completed question number 1 and 2. Now move towards the question number 3, that is calculate the LCM of the following numbers by method of division. Part number 1 is in your homework. Let's move towards the part number 2, that is 14, 21 and 56. So let's find least common multiple by using the method of division. Students, here is the solution and we have to find least common multiple by division method. So we know that the numbers are 14, 21 and 56. First we will select the divisor 2 as it divides 14 and 56 and 21 will be remain same. So 2 sevens are 14 and 21 will be as it is, 2 twos are 4 and 2 eights are 16 as 1 will be carry here. Now these numbers can be divisible by 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21 and 7 fours are 28. Now we can see that the number 3 would be divisible by itself. So 1 will be as it is and 3 ones are 3, 4 will be as it is because 4 can't be divisible by 3. Now the digit 4 or the number 4 can be divisible by 2. So 1 will be remain same and 1 will be as it is. 2 twos are 4. Now 1 will be as it is, here 1 as it is and 2 ones are 2. Students, we know that the LCM is equal to the product of these values that are 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. If we will find the product of these values, then the result will be 168 and that is the least common multiple of the given numbers. Now students, part number 3 is in your homework. Let's move towards the part number 4. That is 36, 54, 72, 96 and 108. Here is the solution of part number 4. Students, you can see that the numbers are divisible by 2. So we can divide each by 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 will be carry here. It would become 16. 2 eights are 16. Now 2 twos are 4 and 1 will be here. It would become 14. 2 sevens are 14. Now 2 threes are 6 and 1 will be here. It would become 12. 2 six are 12. Now 2 fours are 8 and 1 will be here. It would become 16. 2 eights are 16 and 2 fives are 10 and 2 fours are 8. Now these numbers can also be divisible by 2. Just 27 can't be divisible by 2. So 2 nines are 18. 27 will be as it is. 2 ones are 2. 1 will be here. It would become 16. 2 eights are 16. Now 2 twos are 4 and 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4 and 1 will be here. It would become 14. 2 sevens are 14. Now students, these numbers can be divisible by 3. So we will select the divisor 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 nines are 27. 3 6 are 18. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. Also the result can be divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are 6. 8 will be as it is and 3 threes are 9. Now students, again divide it by 3. 1 will be as it is, 3 ones are 3 and 2 will be as it is, 8 will be as it is, as these numbers can't be divisible by 3 or 3 ones are 3. Now 2 and 8 can be divisible by the number 2. 1 will be remain same and 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 1 will be as it is. Now 1, 1 and 1 will be as it is. So 2 twos are 4 and here 1 also as it is. Now 1, 1 and 1 will be as it is. 2 ones are 2 and here 1 also as it is. We know that in order to find least common multiple, we will find the product of these values. So product will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and also 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 2. Students, we know that if we find the product of these values, then the answer will be 864, which is the least common multiple of the given numbers. Now move towards the question number 4. Find the lowest number divisible by 15, 20 and 25. Students, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें वो लोएस्ट नंबर फाइंड करना है जो कि 15, 20 and 25 से divisible हो. So here students, LCM by division method. As we know that the numbers are 15, 20 and 25. So let's divide it by division method. So we can see that these three numbers can be divisible by 5. So 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. Now 3 will be as it is and 4 will be as it is and 5 ones are 5. Now students, let's select the divisor 3 and 3 ones are 3. 4 will be as it is and 1 as it is. Now here 4 is divisible by 2, so 1 will be as it is, 2 twos are 4 and 1 also as it is. Now 1 as it is and 2 ones are 2 and 1 as it is. As we know that students, least number will be equal to least common multiples, as that are 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and their product gives the result 300, which shows that 300 is the lowest number divisible by 15, 20 and 25. Now let's move towards the question number 5, that is find the lowest number between 200 and 500 which leaves a remainder of 3 in each case when divided by 8, 10, 12 and 30. स्टूडेंट्स हमें वो लोएस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जो कि 200 और 500 की रेंज में हो, और जब उस लोएस्ट नंबर को 8 से डिवाइड किया जाए तो रिमाइंडर 3 आए, और अगर लोएस्ट नंबर को 10 से डिवाइड किया जाए तब भी रिमाइंडर 3 आए, 12 से डिवाइड किया जाए तब भी रिमाइंडर 3 आए, और 30 से डिवाइड किया जाए then also remainder should be 3. So let's find the lowest number. Students, in order to find lowest number, first we will find the least common multiple of the given numbers 8, 10, 12 and 30. So let's find least common multiple. First we will divide these numbers to divisor 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12 and 2 1s are 2. 1 will be carry here, 2 5s are 10. Now again divide it to 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 will be as it is and 2 3s are 6, 15 will be as it is. We can also divide these numbers to 2. These numbers 5, 3 and 15 will remain same, but 2 can be divisible. So 2 1s are 2 and 5, 3, 15 as it is. Now these numbers can be divisible by 3. 1 as it is, 5 as it is and 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Now 1 will be here as it is, 5 1s are 5 and 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5. Students, now least common multiple of 8, 10, 12 and 30 is the product of these values, 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 5. If we multiply these products, then the answer will be 120. So 120 is the least common multiple of the given values, but we have to find that number, that lowest number in the range of 200 and 500. So let's find first the multiples of 120, as the multiples of 120 are 120, 240, 360, 480 and 600. Student, we can see that the multiples of 120 in the range of 200 and 500 are 240, 360 and 480. 120 is not included as it is less than 200, and also 600 will not be included as it is greater than 500. So we can write it as multiples of 120 in the range of 200 and 500 are 240, 360 and 480. Now we can see from these multiples of 120, the lowest number is 240, so which we can say it as least common multiple of 200 to 500, means in the range of 200 and 500 is 240. That is the least common multiple in this range, and also in the question mentioned that the remainder is equal to 3. So let's see what is the role of remainder 3. Students, if we add remainder to the least common multiple in the range of 200 to 500, then we can find that number which can be divisible by 8, 10, 12 and 30 and leaves the remainder 3. Now here you can see that least common multiple between 200 and 500, 240 plus 3, and the answer is 243. That is the number 243 is the lowest number between 200 and 500, which is divisible by the given numbers 8, 10, 12 and 30, and by dividing it leaves remainder 3. Students, 243 is that number which is divisible by 8 and leaves remainder 3, and also it is that number which is divisible by 11, 14 and 23 and leaves the same remainder 3. Now let's see question number 6, that is find the smallest number which when divided by 12, 15, 18 and 27 leaves as remainder 8, 11, 14 and 23 respectively. स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स मीन हमें वो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है कि जिससे 12, 15, 18 और 27 से डिवाइड किया जाए तो रिमाइंडर हमारे पास क्या होगा 8, 11, 14 और 23. मतलब ये कि अगर उस नंबर को स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर को 12 से डिवाइड किया जाए तो रिमाइंडर 8 आएगा, और अगर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर को 15 से डिवाइड किया जाए तो रिमाइंडर 11 होगा, और अगर 18 से डिवाइड किया जाए 14 होगा, 27 से डिवाइड किया जाए then 23 होगा. So let's find the smallest number. Students, in order to find the smallest number, first we will have to find the least common multiple of the given number. that are 12, 15, 18 and 27. So let's divide it by the division method. We know that we can choose the divisor 2. 2 6 are 12, 15 will be as it is, and 2 9s are 18, 27 will be as it is. Here are at least two numbers present which can be divisible by the number 2. Now 2 3s are 6, 15 as it is, 9 as it is and 27 also as it is. We can divide these values by the divisor 3, that is 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. Now we can see that this number can also be divisible by 3 except 5. So 1 will be as it is and 5 also as it is. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now 1 as it is, 5 as it is and 1 here as it is. We can divide it as 3 1s are 3. Now we can see that here is just number 5 present which can be divisible by itself 5. So 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5. So here will be 1 as 5 1s are 5 and 1 as it is and also 1 as it is. We know that students, least common multiple of 12, 15, 18 and 27 will be the product of these values, that are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 5. If we find the product of these values, then the answer is 540. As we know that in the question it was mentioned clearly that when required number divided by 12, then remainder will be 8, and when required number that we have to find divided by 15, then the remainder will be 11. Also, when required number divided by 18, remainder will be 14. And when required number divided by 27, the remainder will be 23. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम डिवाइज़र में से रिमाइंडर को माइनस करें तो हमारे पास वो नंबर आएगा जो कि हम लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करके अपना रिक्वायर्ड नंबर हासिल कर सकते हैं. Let's see that if we subtract 8 from 12, then the answer is 4, and if we subtract the remainder 11 from divisor, then the answer is 4, and if we subtract remainder 14 from 18, the answer is also 4, and if we subtract remainder 23 from divisor 27, then the answer is also 4. You can see that here all the subtraction answer is 4. It means if we subtract this number from LCM, least common multiple, then odd number will be required number. As you can see here, students, required number is equal to LCM minus 4. As we know that least common multiple is 540, that we have find it above. Minus 4 is equal to 536, that is the number 536 is our required number. Students, let's check it. We have the number 536, that was our required number. If we divide this number by 12, then the remainder will be 8. You can see here 12 4s are 48 and 6 will be as it is. Here 1 will be carry, and by subtracting 8 from 13, the answer is 5. Now 12 4s are 48, and if we subtract this value, the answer is 8. So it is clearly shows that our required number is correct, and also if we divide this number to 12, the remainder is 8. Students, it is a rough work. It is just to show you how the remainder 8 will be left. Students, you can also check either the required number 536 when divided by 15 leaves remainder 11 or not. Also, you can check 536 when divided by 18 leaves remainder 14, and 536 when divided by 27 leaves remainder 23. Okay students, do homework of question number 3 part number 1 and 3, and also do practice of question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.